welcome to my autumn evening routine. And I like to kick off my evenings with a little bit of decompressing. And to decompress, I like to pick up a book. And my current obsession right now is reading a book by Paula Sutton. It's called Hill House Living. It's a beautiful coffee table book. And I love the intentionality that Paula has in the book about living with the seasons. And that is something that the Lord has been really tugging on my heart to slow down and enjoy life. Now, after decompressing, I like to go upstairs and change, and I typically like to chit chat with my mom around this time, just catching up from the day and just enjoying her company. I think the evenings is a great time for people to catch up with each other, whether you're commuting from work or just giving people the rundown of your day. Now, on this specific evening, I'm actually taking a book over to my neighbor, and I wrote them a cute little note saying I hope they enjoy this book. I'm actually getting rid of this book, and why not give it to someone else who will enjoy a lovely book? I love setting the atmosphere for cooking dinner. I just feel like elevating your atmosphere, lighting a candle, having a cute cutting board makes the mundane task a little bit more exciting. So I'm trying to start this new habit of putting on a half apron because if you guys would see me sometimes, like I have food all over myself by the time dinner is cooked. For tonight's dinner, it's nothing too fancy. It's just something that I make up. I'm just making some chicken breast and I actually put that in my air fryer. Something that's quick, easy, but that's super tasty. With that being said, I love celebrating the seasons, and I found this amazing fall harvest mac and cheese from Aldi, and that is one way that I like to incorporate seasonal cooking. I think it's just fun, and again, it's just celebrating the seasons and enjoying the small things in life.